Here are 5 ideas to earn online for web designers. 3 and 4 are special. At the end, I will tell you the procedure to get such income ideas for yourself. Check if you are able to answer the short question in the pinned comment after watching. Do you think your friends, whom you share this video, can surpass your score? 1. Create and sell website templates. Step 1. Design high-quality templates. Begin by designing a range of high-quality website templates for popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or HTML and CSS. Ensure they are visually appealing, mobile responsive, and user-friendly. Step 2. Set up an e-commerce website. Create a website for selling your templates using platforms like Shopify, WordPress with WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize it to showcase your templates and accept payments. Step 3. List and describe templates. Create product listings for each template, including detailed descriptions, screenshots, and pricing. Provide options for customization if applicable. Step 4. Market your templates. Promote your template store through social media, web design forums, and email marketing. Offer discounts or bundle deals to attract customers. Step 5. Provide customer support. Offer responsive customer support to assist buyers with template installation and customization. Maintain regular updates for your templates to ensure compatibility with software updates. 2. Launch online web design courses. Step 1. Identify your course focus. Decide on the focus of your web design course, whether it's teaching design fundamentals, responsive design, or using specific design tools like Adobe XD or Figma. Step 2. Plan course content. Outline your course content, including video lessons, assignments, and resources. Organize the material in a logical sequence for effective learning. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host your courses. Create course outlines and set prices. Step 4. Create video lessons. Record high-quality video lessons that clearly explain web design concepts, tools, and techniques. Edit your videos for better clarity. Step 5. Publish and promote your courses. Upload your course materials, set up payment options, and publish your courses on the chosen e-learning platform. Promote your courses through social media, web design communities, and email marketing. Step 6. Engage with students. Interact with your students by answering questions, providing feedback on assignments, and creating a community for learners. 3. Offer web design workshops and webinars. Step 1. Plan workshop topics. Identify specific web design topics or skills you want to teach in your workshops and webinars. For example, you can focus on UI/UX design, HTML and CSS, or design trends. Step 2. Choose a webinar platform. Select a webinar platform like Zoom, GoToWebinar, or WebEx to host your live workshops. Test the platform for ease of use. Step 3. Create workshop content. Develop presentation materials, including slides and demonstrations, to facilitate your workshops. Ensure they are engaging and informative. Step 4. Set dates and registration. Announce workshop dates and create a registration process either through your website or a platform like Eventbrite. Step 5. Promote your workshops. Market your workshops through social media, web design communities, and email marketing. Offer early bird discounts to encourage registrations. Step 6. Host engaging workshops. Conduct your workshops with enthusiasm and interact with participants. Encourage questions and discussions during the sessions. Sorry for interrupting. The remaining part of the video will play after this short break. These are all the places you can find me: Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. I post videos on YouTube. I share trendy and popular curated content on Tumblr. You will find all the URLs in the description of this video. Let's now continue with the video. 4. Design and sell web design resources. Step 1. Create valuable resources. Develop web design resources such as icon sets, UI kits, website themes, or design elements. Ensure they are of high quality and can save time for other designers. Step 2. Set up an e-commerce platform. Build a website using platforms like Shopify, WordPress with WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to showcase and sell your design resources. Step 3. List and describe resources. Create product listings for your design resources, providing detailed descriptions, screenshots, and pricing. Allow for easy downloads upon purchase. Step 4. Promote your resources. Promote your design resources through design-related forums, social media, and email newsletters. Highlight their usability and time-saving benefits. Step 5. Provide customer support. Offer customer support to assist buyers with any issues or inquiries related to your design resources. 5. Start a YouTube channel on web design. Step 1. Define your channel focus. Determine the specific focus of your YouTube channel, whether it's tutorials on design tools, web design trends, or showcasing your design process. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel using your Google account. Customize your channel with a compelling banner, profile picture, and description. Step 3. Create and upload video content. Produce and upload video content that educates and engages your audience on web design topics. Use screen recording software to capture your design process. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in video titles, descriptions, and tags to make your content discoverable. Craft compelling video titles and descriptions. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, enable ads on your videos. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise to increase revenue. Step 6. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for video suggestions, and building a community around your channel. In the last video, we discussed 5 ideas to earn from painting. Here's the video. Also, you can boost your business using these business growth tools.